Hi guys, I'm going to install my Super Gamer Linux with the help of virtual machine and the link. So you need to open that link in the web browser and you have to download the ISO over here. So download ISO 1.6 gig and the 7.95. You have to choose between the two, but here I just downloaded earlier the 1.6 gig for the storage reason. So here are my Super Gamer Linux zip and the unzip. So after that, here in VirtualBox machine, you have to create the name of the ISO Linux. So you have to create this one, the next. Wait and start. After that, you have to choose and open that one so they can install. So here are the interface. And we need to wait until it responds. It takes 1 to 20 minutes to properly install this kind of ISO. So we need to patiently be waiting. Okay.